Welcome to Happiest Places Home, the interior design channel. If you're into interior design, you'll love it here. In this video, I have so many Pottery Barn dupes for you, and I think you'll love them. We have lighting, as you can see, bedding. I have hurricane candles that one particular viewer requested, and then I have an entire collection of furniture that's brand new and that Pottery Barn is featuring in a very big way. It's called the Marina Collection. It's very beautiful, perfect in time for summer because it does look very coastal, admittedly from them. And I found a dupe for every single piece in the collection. There's a beautiful desk, a beautiful bed, a dresser. There are units for storage like cabinets and shelving. So I have it all for you coming up in this video, and then we have some styling techniques at the end as well. If you have an interest in anything in this video, the links for every single item are in the description box. I had a true love for the Montrose vase collection, and they have them as lamps. These have been out for about 2 months, and I don't know why I didn't cover them until now. I should have, because I loved the vases so much, and how wonderful to have a functional item that looks like those beauties, and then you can decorate with more beautiful things around it. Well, their small lamp is $299, and the large is $349. I found great alternatives at home, and they're from the Providence Blue and White collection. So the small is $39.99, and you're just getting the lamp base, so you'll have to select your own lampshade. And then the large is $49.99. I think these look very similar, and they're just beautiful. They do look like they're more of a vintage piece if you're looking for chinoiserie, but no matter, I just think it's a great savings. Although, as you could tell from the way I talked about them, I really do love the Pottery Barn version. So if you have that budget, they are fabulous. This collection does come with so much storage, and one of the things I liked the most was the Marina cane storage cabinets, and there are a lot of different shapes and sizes. I found dupes for a few of them, so let me show you this first one. This one could be used in a kitchen or for extra space to do a little coffee bar, but it's also great for an office. So I found one on Amazon that is so inexpensive. It's $119. And you have two in the collection that I'm showing you, so I did the math there on that slide for you. And I think it really is beautiful. It's not quite as tall, but it does have the same look. And to me, I would love to have some extra storage, and I want it to look fashionable and stylish, not just like some storage cabinets that I threw somewhere. And I thought this could help me achieve that. And I was thinking it would work well in so many homes. So I'm very excited about this. I also located this darker version for you. It's called Weathered Oak. It's a little darker than the Pottery Barn, but the other one was a little lighter than the Pottery Barn. So if you're wanting something that looks more like an oak in your home, I found this one, and I just showed it to you in this fashion rather than doing the side by side because I have a lot of options for you in this video. So we're taking some shortcuts here and there because I actually didn't want to bore you. I have so many. All right, so you saw this, and I think that's a great piece. There are other pieces that can coordinate with this, and it's a sideboard. So you could have a sideboard in the middle and then two of those cabinets on either side, and that would look really lovely. Do you agree? I found the Marina desk to be very unique, and I feel like it does capture that coastal, summery feeling. And to have that feeling while you're working seems like it could be really nice. And of course, you would want that to coordinate with other pieces if you have this color in your home already. Well, I think that desk is exceptional. It's also a very high price. So I have two options for you. The first one is from Amazon, and it's by the company Modway, which I rely upon to have very good and decent furniture. This is their oak desk. It's 63 inches wide, so very wide, similar to the Pottery Barn, and it's $408. Now that's a little pricier than the other alternative that I have for you, so let's take a look at that one. This one is very similar, but it comes in at $289. This is 58 inches wide. It does have just a different drawer and cabinet combination than the other desk that I showed you previously. But if you wanted to save a little bit more money, this one is just as lovely. With the Marina collection, Pottery Barn is using their wood gallery frames in a lot of the designs, and they look great with it. There are a lot of combinations, and we're going to talk at the end about how to style some of these combinations. We'll do it really briefly right at the end of the video. But for now, I wanted to mention that I do feel along the way, these are definitely enhancing the look of the rooms that they've designed. So I found you a dupe, and my dupe is from At Home. And it's $17.99 versus the $99 same size frame at Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn is using their square frames. At Home has those. I own some, but they didn't have them in the light wood color, so I thought I would just feature the light wood color. I'll also feature dupes for those hurricanes at the end of the video. This new bedroom look is extraordinary. I love it so much. It would feel like you're vacationing in your own bedroom. I do think that the bed is not as exceptional as the whole big picture, so it was easy to duplicate. Now, I found this at Target. It's the wood and rattan bed, and the brand name, I believe, is Modern Luxe. And the queen size is $252.99. The king is $393.99. Those are sale prices. They're on sale right now. By the time you click through, I hope that is still true, but I think it will be. I've been noticing this beautiful quilt as they're presenting the Marina collection, and that is new as well. So I thought I would find you a dupe for that too. First of all, their quilt is beautiful. It's the same price as a lot of their gorgeous holiday quilts, and it does have a Central Asia pattern, but typically the Central Asia patterns are very brightly colored and it's just a fabric. But they've done that pattern in a quilt, and we have a dupe for that with a very similar pattern. Now ours is more subtle. However, our price is more subtle also. It's $24 for the queen size quilt, and it's $26 for the king, and you do get the 2 shams with it. At Pottery Barn, you do have to pay extra for the shams. And you did see the prices. I think it was $3.49 for the king. We're away from that point while I'm doing my voiceover, so we'll leave that behind. But this was a big savings. If you love that quilt, though, and you have the budget, go for it. It's so pretty. I do love a wide bedside table. You just want more space to hold more items, but also hold more decorative items. And this one's wider than it looks. The issue is it's kind of short. That's fine though. It's just you're more likely to knock things off of a short bedside table when you're turning in bed asleep. Just saying. What I try to do is to find 3-drawer chests or something else that will be a wider and perhaps a bit taller than most bedside tables. And I did find one at Target. It's actually on sale right now for $180 and change. And this one is a really good alternative. And if you just need new bedside tables, you weren't sure what to do with your space, and this color fits in, these are pretty nice. Now we might think a dresser is a dresser, but I think this one is really beautiful. And the coloring is nice, the caning is nice. You've probably noticed that a lot of the pieces I'm finding are rattan and not a bigger pattern cane, but I think you'll think that's okay when you see my dresser from Target. So this one is a really wide one. It's 59 inches wide and it's $302.99 right now. I also have a slimmer one for you that is a lower price. But take a look at this because I do think it looks so stylish. And even if you have black furniture in your bedroom or white furniture, a dresser like this can blend in pretty well, unless you have another type of wood in there going too. All right, I have one more for you, and let me show you that. Now this one is by the same company that I showed you earlier as an alternative. It's got a little bit of the darker colored wood. And this one's $249, but it's slimmer. It's 52 inches wide. Now you could go with an even darker wood. Maybe you have a dark bed. I know I keep saying dark wood, light wood, and I'm not saying the type of wood, but they're all different in this mix on this video. But you could mix this in to have that more islandy, coastal flavor to get that resort feeling in your bedroom. Kind of like the resort that Ralph Lauren designed in Jamaica. I don't know if it still exists, but it was very similar with the dark wood, but the tropical feel. Our viewer Beth Clodius asked for a very specific dupe, and here it is. When I was in the Pottery Barn store, she noticed at the entrance the beautiful hurricane candle holders. So she asked for a dupe for the blue candle holders, and I did find one, although they're on sale right now, so you may want to explore. Let me see what the sale price was. It was between $19.99 and $68.99, down from whatever it was. But I did find an alternative for you, and let's talk about that. You may be able to hear Lady snoring from time to time in this video, but it's very loud right now, so sorry if you do. These are from At Home. They're the Smoke Hurricane candle holders, and the 4-inch is $3.99, while the 8-inch is $7.99, so that's quite the savings from the Pottery Barn. But I do see the appeal to the Pottery Barn where only half of it has that effect on it. But I do like, if you're going to use faux flicker candles, to have a bit of a effect on the glass so that you can't see that faux flicker as much. I found you two alternatives to the hurricanes that we've been seeing in the Marina collection too. And the first one's from Belk. It's by the brand Biltmore. So I didn't even know Biltmore had a brand, but that's exciting. And this wood and glass LED hurricane is actually on clearance right now. The 10-inch is $28 and the 13-inch is $32. Now I have a set from Amazon. And it's the glass hurricane candle holders. So you get a 4-inch, an 8-inch, and a 10-inch, and they do have that little smaller section for the candle, which I think is a pretty look as well. So it's $49.99 for all three. Sometimes when you're having a design conundrum and an area just isn't looking quite the way you want it to, and you don't know why, sometimes little tips and tricks can help, and sometimes it'll sound like I'm stating the obvious, but every now and then just a reminder can help make a little vignette look better. So let's talk about having lamps next to art. So the obvious point is you don't want it to cover your art. You just want it to hug the edge. But something creative that Pottery Barn did in one of these designs is putting the lamp specifically kind of in between two frames. And I think that was a very nice look here, and I appreciate the effort, and I bet you do too. So there's a little idea for us, but let's have some others. When you're using a lot of framed photos in your decor, sometimes it is too linear, and you do need something to add some texture. We have a floral, let's call it branch display, that just hugs the edge of one of them. It kind of covers a little bit of one, but it does make it look more, let's call it cozy or homey, because you don't want everything to be just so uniform, you know. I wanted to stick with this one for a second. I just realized before we go to the next, I usually hang framed photos about 4 inches apart. That's kind of my magic number. And in this one, they did it a bit closer, and that was a design choice, and it looks good here. But typically, try to give yourself the 4 inches. That might sound like a lot, but it doesn't look like a lot when you're doing your gallery. This is a fun one. Sometimes when you're looking at a mantle or a console, even your dresser, or maybe if you have a linear fireplace, if you have a threshold under it, it looks sometimes like things are just too tailored. Like it's not looking right, you don't know why, and it's because everything is a bit uniform. So to take that look away, propping up a small piece of art that's smaller than the central item, but also doing it with a framed photo, like the ones we're talking about, the gallery frames. Just putting one, it takes the tailoring away, and all of a sudden it manages to look more polished. So that's a little trick that I love. I created some fun mood boards for you if you want to relax and enjoy that with some background music. Also, there are items from past videos mixed in because they just look great with some of these pieces. Everything you saw in this video is linked. If you do happen to purchase something via my link, I do get a small commission, and I want to ask you to do that if you are interested in buying anything, because it does help the channel very much going forward. Well, thank you for watching, and please look out for a new video next Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time.